Welcome to Kids Academy.
Help the little penguin find a path to his mother. Draw a line to connect all the ice flows where the number 6 is the total.
So you have to find out which one 6 is the
Tap the green check
total.
button once you're done.
We'll start there.
This one.
Is 10 minus 5 6?
This one. This
What's
one.
that?
This one. Mommy.
Okay.
Wow, you did it all by yourself.
Good job.
Is it that?
Press the green. You'll see.
Don't worry, you'll get it next time. Try again.
Well, let me see.
Well done! Look how far you've come. Read the sentence.
Oh, this
Does
is
it
good.
make sense?
This is good.
Check the correct box.
I'm really excited to get more
Tap
points.
the green
in.
check
You're gonna get a lot of
button
points and you're
once
gonna get a
you're
lot
done.
of prizes.
How do I get a lot of prizes when I'm gonna buy a princess?
You're gonna buy princess? Okay, come on, let's see what we got here. Go ahead and read the first sentence.
That kitten
Good job, honey.
is so cute.
Is that spelled correctly?
No.
Don't worry about that. What about the next one?
Okay. A hop on one foot.
Dunka, 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 dunka. Is that spelled correctly?
I hopped on one foot.
What do you think? Okay. What's the next one?
Please no.
Wow, you did it all by yourself.
No. No, that's. We at our lunch. This is a can with
You've made a lot of progress.
a can and of soup.
It's a can of soup. Is it spelled like can?
I feel mad at my friend.
Is that spelled mad?
You're on the right
Now
track.
hold on a second.
Keep
Let's
it
see
up.
what you got wrong. This is please write a note. Note. Therefore, that's correct. We ate our lunch. Ate. Therefore, that's also correct. Okay, sweetheart?
Let's try that again.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it again.
Wait.
That's really great.
Yay! Yay, honey, you got them all right.
Except for that.
No, you accidentally put it there. You forgot to erase it. You chose the correct one. What do you think about that? Yeah?
Let's go on.
Play with me in the Kids Academy app and learn about math, reading, writing, and more. Scan the QR code or use the link in the description. Let's have fun!